Hey traders! Today we're taking a hard look at VirgoDApp.com. VirgoDApp.com. Key points of concern. Extremely low trust scores. Scam Advisor and ScamMinder report very low trust scores for VirgoDApp.com, indicating a high likelihood of being a scam. User complaints. Numerous users have reported issues with fund withdrawals and unresponsive customer service, raising significant credibility concerns. Lack of transparency. The website lacks detailed information about the company's registration, operational history, and team members. Recent domain registration. The domain was registered recently, a common trait of short-lived scam operations. Unrealistic promises. Claims of high returns on investments, typical of fraudulent schemes. Regulatory and compliance issues. No evidence of compliance with financial regulations or oversight by relevant authorities. If you've been scammed by VirgoDApp.com, exercise caution. Avoid being a victim of another get-your-money-back-quick scam. Instead, contact brokercomplaintalert.com to get a free consultation and recovery service. We provide recommendations to get help in recovering the lost funds. Report your case to us. You can find the link in the video description.